Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, come back with me Deviani Solikha. This time, I will explain how to configure firewall SRC NAT. Okay, open the Winbox. Connect with MAC address. The first step is to check the interface by using the command interface print. Enter, and it can be seen that Ether 1 to the laptop and the WLAN 1 as the IP. It can be seen here that WLAN 1 is still disabled. After that, enable the WLAN 1 interface by using the command interface enable WLAN 1. Enter. Then check the WLAN 1 interface has been successfully activated or not by using the command interface print. Enter. And it can be seen that there is no flag X or disable anymore. Next, configure the security profile on the WLAN 1 interface, which function as wireless security, by using the command interface wireless security profile, add name Deviani, mode dynamic case, authentication types WPA PSK, and WPA2 PSK, unicast chippers as CCM and TCAIP, group chippers as CCM and TCAIP, WPA pre-share key Misbahul 11, and WPA2 pre-share key Misbahul 11. Okay, enter. Check with the command interface wireless security profile print. Enter. And it can be seen that it has successfully configured the security profile. Next, scan to select the access point you want to use by using the command interface wireless scan WLAN 1. Enter. Okay, here I will use the SSID Misbahul for WLAN 1. Next, setting the WLAN 1 interface by using the command interface wireless set WLAN 1 mode station band tugas BGN SSID Misbahul security profile Deviani. Okay, enter. Check with the command interface wireless print. Enter. And it can be seen that the flags have changed to running. Next, configure the DHCP client to get the IP by using the command IP DHCP client at interface WLAN 1 disable no. Okay, enter. Then do a check with the command IP DHCP client print. Enter. And it can be seen that the client router has got an IP address and the status is bound or connected. Then check the router is connected to the internet or not by using the command ping google.com. Enter. It can be seen here that the result is a replay, which means the router is connected to the internet. After that, configure the IP address by using the command IP address at address 9.9.9.1/24 interface ether1. Enter. Do a check with the command IP address print. Enter. And it can be seen that it has successfully configured the IP address using ether1. Next, configure the IP manually to the client. Okay, network and internet settings. Change adapter option. Ethernet. Properties. Internet Protocol version 4. Okay, use the following IP address. Make sure that the IP address used is the same as the IP address that we registered early. Here, I will give the IP address 9.9.9.9 with subnet mask 255.255.255, which is /24, and the default gateway 9.9.9.1, and in the DNS server with IP open source, which is 8.8.8.8. Okay. Check with details, and it can be seen here has been successfully configured. Okay, close. Next, do a test to make sure that the client is connected to the router with CMD by using the command ping 9.9.9.1. Enter. And it can be seen that the result is a replay, which means that the client has connected to the router. After that, check the pinggoogle.com whether you have got the IP address or not. So, before ping, turn off the Wi-Fi first. Okay, disconnect. Okay, type with the command ping google.com. Enter. Okay, wait. And it can be seen that this ping request cannot be reached because the client does not have internet access. We can also ping 8.8.8.8. Enter. And the result is a request timeout, which means is not connected to the internet network. Okay, next, configure the firewall NAT rule using the action src NAT by using the command IP firewall NAT action src NAT src address 9.9.9.9 out interface WLAN1 action src NAT to address with IP DHCP client, which is 192.168.1.25. Okay, enter. Do a check with the command IP firewallnut print. Enter. And it can be seen here that the configuration has been successfully configured. Then, don't forget to disable and enable. Okay, after that, do a check on the Ethernet, and it can be seen that the IPv4 connectivity is already connected to internet access from the router MikroTik. Okay, next, check with pinggoogle.com. Enter. And it can be seen that the result is a replay, which means the client is connected to the internet network. Okay, next, I will do the test. If the IP of the client is not changed, then it can still be connected or not by changing the IP with 9.9.9.20. Okay, close. Then ping google.com. Okay, wait. And ping 8.8.8. Enter. And it can be seen that the client cannot connect to the internet network because the function of this SRC NAT only give internet access to one IP that we cause. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.